Bullish FTX token cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $3.80 and $8.27 by 2030. Market investigators accept FTT could reach $3.80 by 2025. Bearish FTX token market cost expectation for 2022 is 67 cents. FTX token presentation. Experts from Money Road and significant tech firms like Google, Facebook, Jane Road, Optiver, and Susquehanna make up the center gathering behind the FTX stage. The planners of the FTT token, with an abundance of involvement with monetary stock subordinates, desire to outperform OKEX, the top crypto estimate trade in the blockchain space. Sam Bankman-Broiled, the director of FTX, Gary Wang, and Nishad Singh helped to establish the commercial center. The gathering started creating FTX, a trade by brokers, for dealers, subsequent to laying out Lambda Exploration, a digital currency quant exchanging firm and liquidity supplier. SBF accepted the crypto market coming up short on refined exchanging component for perplexing items. SBF and FTX are both domiciled in Hong Kong, a city that upholds cryptographic money. The liberal organizer gives 1% of FTX's net exchanging charges to noble cause and previously filled in as a legal administrator at the Middle for Successful Philanthropy. SBF is a notable player in the digital money industry with more than 290 Kelvin supporters on Twitter. What is FTX token? The exchange token for the FTX biological systems is called FTX token, and it could be utilized as security for Fate's positions, to get discounts on OTC exchanges, to bring down exchanging expenses. From there, the sky is the limit. Collateralized tokens, OTC exchanging, and Fate's exchanging are completely presented by the FTX exchanging stage, which tries to turn into the main crypto trade commercial center in the blockchain business. FTX token specialized investigation. The effect of amount requested on variances in normal cost, turnover, and suggested unpredictability is analyzed utilizing specialized examination apparatuses. It works under the assumption that, when joined with reasonable money management or managing rules, verifiable exchanging movement and cost increments of safety can act as significant indicators of future security costs. It can significantly upgrade the evaluation of a security's solidarity or shortcoming contrasted with the general market or one of its areas. It is oftentimes used to create transient exchanging signals utilizing different outlining apparatuses. Examiners can refine their general worth gauge by utilizing this data. Marks of cryptographic money in light of specialized examination. A few line diagrams and outline examples can be utilized to do specialized evaluations of computerized monetary standards. Utilizing the pivotal pointers recorded beneath, anyone with any interest at all in specialized examination can look at the greatest cost, market cap, normal value, the most elevated esteem, FTX cost gauge, FTX token cost expectations, or some other data connected with the heterocost conjecture. FTX token major investigation. Financial backers utilize this strategy to decide the fair worth of FTX coins and different coins. The essential objective is to evaluate many inside and outer components to decide whether a coin is overrated or underrated. Financial backers utilize this data to direct their venture decisions. Prior to managing digital forms of money, basic investigation issues should be fixed. Basic examination can assist brokers with choosing how to continue and what monetary hypothesis and abuse will mean for digital currencies. FTX token current cost. FTX token is right now worth 84 cents USD. FTT has moved 1.31% as of now with an exchanging volume of $2,958,710. FTX token is at present position 212 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $274,464,556 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for FTX token to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. FTX token value expectation 2023. In 2023, FTX token FTT cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of FTT will before long outperform $2.11. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the FTT's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, FTT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.69 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.86. FTX token value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $2.95 and FTT might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. FTT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.70 and a low of $2.53 in 2024. FTX token value forecast 2025. Assuming that FTX token effectively supports market opinion among digital money aficionados, the FTT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, FTT will be green in 2025. The FTT is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $3.80, with a base cost of $3.37 and a typical cost of $3.54. FTX token value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the FTT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.39 by 2026, with a base cost of $4.22 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, FTT has a most extreme value worth of $4.64. FTX token value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $5.23. In the event that FTT figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $5.48. Neglecting to assemble the help FTT needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $5.06. FTX token value forecast 2028. While FTT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $5.91 and a yearly cost close above $6.33 in 2028. FTX token value expectation 2029. By 2029, FTX token will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $6.75 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $7.17, averaging out at $6.92. FTX token value forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme FTT cost in 2030 is projected to be $8.27 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $7.93. And FTT tokens and other cryptos will keep on filling in prominence, assuming digital money trades continue to refresh their items to consent to local and worldwide regulation. On the off chance that more institutional financial backers put resources into this present circumstance, the typical cost might transcend every reasonable norm. FTX cryptographic money would be a wise venture to put resources into the FTX organization, according to the normal most extreme worth, normal exchanging esteem, least cost esteem, normal exchanging cost, critical unpredictability.